This has to be the tiniest fawn. It's so small. One of the pair of orphans, I believe. The other one's around here somewhere. Oh, let her have it. She's just little. Don't kick her out of there. There wasn't much left anyway. Leave her be. Yeah, that's nice. Another deer came and was going to kick her out of there, I think. But let her alone. There wasn't much left there anyway. That one right there was going to kick her out. Or him. Hi, little one. Gosh, you are so tiny. You are so tiny. You are the littlest one.